put the phone on speaker. You'll hear it better. What? Well. My name's Nicky and I kill him.
We should just go chill.
Yeah, go to Chili's in the Corvette in an ice storm. I'm done.
It's not even an ice storm.
There's ice on the roads, Nicky. / Brit. I don't know who I'm talking to.
No, it's just like rain. All you have to do is get past Blacksmith.
Yeah, but I gotta drive on Blacksmith with bald tires.
Alright. Goodbye.
I'm so lit. They didn't hang up. See?
No, we should just go see. I'm scared. They're like, oh.
She wants to go see it. Is Nicky retarded?
What do you mean you want to go see it? That's not even intelligent. Did you really just fart on camera?
You're not intelligent.
I'm not intelligent. I'm the person who's trying to be safe and not kill myself.
I'm very smart.
Oh my god. You want to feel that?
We're waiting on you guys. So let's go.
What do you mean you're waiting? There's nothing to wait on.
I can't believe I'll receive it today. We're waiting on them. I can't believe Ty is just going to drive him. Wait, isn't Ty going to the army?
Yeah, what does that have to do with me driving a car?
I mean, like, really? Wouldn't you be driving the war?
No. Wouldn't I be driving in the war? 1, can of Cards Basic. 2, I'm fixing helicopters. You want to feel that?
Eric just texted me.
What do you say?
People are shooting at you in the helicopter. You're just not going to drive that? Because there's a people. Are you going to just not go because there's an obstacle in your way?
I don't want to die.
Eric's really getting hungry.
I'm getting hungry too, but I'm not driving this.
You're not going to die.
I've been hungry since 6:30 when we should have went to Chili's at 7. Tort.